Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just got a quick video today showing you how to reset the service light on this 2013 Nissan Qashqai. All you need to do is turn the ignition on, stage 2 where it puts the lights on there. You just need to press the button on the right here just once, just to clear the seatbelt warning. Now once you've got the main display up, press the button in and turn to the right, and that brings the new menu up. Now you've got to scroll down to maintenance, press again to select, and scroll down to service. Now this way you just got to do it a bit differently. If you just press it once, it goes into service and shows you what's left till the next one. I've already done this, so it's showing it as 18,000 now. But if there's no option for reset, if you go back, and all you've got to do is when you're going into it, just press and hold the button, and then it'll come up with a reset. Then you can go down and just select it again, and then go down and confirm, and that's a reset done. And then you can just exit out the menu, turn the ignition off. Nice easy one on that today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.